Hello, in this video I'll talk about the PS3 controller, and this is one of the most faked products I've ever seen. I remember when many years ago I was worried about fake controllers, and I did a lot of research to learn how to spot fake controllers. Believe it or not, I've seen fake controllers even in many retail stores, not just scams online. So let's have a look at these controllers and find out how to spot a fake one. This is obviously a fake controller, and actually not a fake but something different. I have to admit I'm in love with this one. Here I have 4 controllers. 2 of them are fake and 2 of them are genuine. Can you see any difference between those? I'll give them a letter and I'll keep the image on the screen for a few seconds. Just try to guess which one is fake and I'll give the answer. This one is genuine, and now we have on the table 2 fake controllers and only one single genuine controller. Let's have a closer look. The most obvious thing to look for is the PlayStation Home button. As you can see on the fake controller, the logo itself has poor quality and is quite bold, not as sharp as on the original controller. And also the DualShock and 6-axis letters are a bit bold. Of course, without having them side by side would be harder to notice, but with a trained eye you can spot the fake controller. But the other fake is extremely similar to the original one. The PlayStation Home button is almost identical, but the pink square is a bit faded on the fake controller. I actually noticed this on many fake controllers during the time. This is not something particular in this case. And one more difference I noticed is the start and select text on the front cover. Again, they're a bit bold on the fake one. Otherwise they're pretty much the same, and I didn't find anything else to look for. But if you've got your controller online and it wasn't obvious if it's fake or not, there's one best way to find out if your controller is genuine. There's a tool named SCPToolkit supposed to make the PS3 controller ready to work on Windows PC. Once I connect the PS3 controller to my PC, there's a pop-up in the right bottom corner of the screen. And as you can see, it says fake DualShock 3 detected. Now let's try another one. Now this is a genuine controller. This is another fake one, and the last one should be genuine. Yes, it is. So there are a few signs to spot a fake controller, and I hope you found this video useful. There's a major difference in quality between fake and genuine controllers, and I recommend to always target the genuine one. Thanks for watching.